Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making the Division Bell, which is a riff on the last word cocktail. We're going to start off with 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice, half an ounce of Maraschino Liqueur, 0.75 ounces of Aperol, and then 1 ounce of Mezcal. Once we have all of that into our shaker tin, we are going to add ice. And maybe lose some. Yee. And the dog got it. Now we're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand. And then I've got my coupe glass here.
Baby coupe.
Baby coupe.
Baby coupe.
It's a baby coupe. We are going to double strain, especially how I shake.
Cut yourselves on the ice shake.
Accurate. And then we're going to take a grapefruit peel. Sorry, I had a stroke on what that was. We're going to express over the top of the glass, give it a slight little touch, and then I'm going to use one of my petrified lime wheels. Oof, that stinks. Just make your own, people. Don't buy it from the store. And there we have our Division Bell. Of course, I am going to taste it. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I will also rate the cocktail. 1 is I would have this cocktail and move on. 5, I would have this cocktail all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see where we are today. Stop eating the ice cube. I think outside of the dehydrated lime, I smell a lot of the Aperol. Oddly, not the Mezcal. Interesting. This is definitely a little bit more of like not a traditional cocktail, but like a craft cocktail, in my opinion. There's a lot of flavors going on. There's not hardly any sweetness to this cocktail at all. So this is definitely not something that you're going to be like, oh, I'm going to just sit here and sip on these on the beach all night, right? This is definitely something that I would find you'd find in like a lounge type of aspect. I definitely taste the Aperol. The Mezcal's very much there. I don't really taste the Maraschino Liqueur. Oddly enough, it actually tastes more grapefruity than anything, even though there's absolutely no grapefruit in there. It is also more on the tart side, but very, very good cocktail. It's very light. For me, I think I have to give this guy, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5. Solid cocktail. Definitely would have a couple of them, but then I would have to definitely move on. Of course, I want to see what you guys think. So ingredients are listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail at home. And then make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.